In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from your Google account permanently in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in so you can easily manage your account security and make sure only the devices you trust have access. To begin, open your preferred web browser, ideally Google Chrome for this tutorial. Once you're there, navigate to google.com and ensure you're logged into your Google account. If not, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Now that you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your account profile icon, typically a circle with your photo or an initial inside it. Give that a click. This drop-down menu gives you quick access to various account settings and options. From here, select Manage your Google account. This option will redirect you to a centralized hub where you can control all aspects of your account, from personal info to privacy and security settings. Once you're on the Google account management page, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu list here. Click on Security from this list. This section is crucial as it contains all your security settings. It not only allows you to manage devices connected to your account, but also provides an overview of recent security activity. As you scroll down through the security page, you will find a section labeled Your Devices. Here, you'll see a summary of devices currently using your account. To proceed, choose Manage All Devices. Clicking this will open a detailed list of all the devices currently associated with your Google account. Next, browse through this list to locate the specific device you no longer want connected to your account. It might take a quick minute to identify it, especially if you have multiple devices, but make sure you select the correct one. Once you found it, click on the device's name to open its options. You should now see an option to sign out of the device you've selected. Clicking on Sign Out will prompt a confirmation. This step ensures that you're removing the right device and that you indeed want to proceed. After confirming, the device will be signed out and successfully removed from having access to your account. And there you have it. A quick and seamless way to remove an unwanted device from your Google account, enhancing your personal security. Remember, it's always a good practice to periodically review devices connected to your account to maintain control over who and what has access to your information. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification. Stay secure.